1, 2, 3, and...
Cook it.
What is up mga sir? Another day, another bike vlog again. We are diving into an exciting project, building a stock Sniper 155 and turning it into a race bike concept.
Welcome to my artificial hell. Drinking the waters, fill your stomach, feeling swell. Dip into the well, deep diving it. Flow straight.
This bike is owned by 3X15. Started from the stock shock, changing it using a JBT suspension. Wala namang magic dito since almost plug and play at konting tabas lang para mag-fit yung stock headlight at di sumabit during turning sa sharp corners.
I never use this voice to control, but such a baby only young so with these cuts just like a Tory Hanzo did, and you know I never stop. Some people would doubt, and some folk would believe, but some would need a trial or some these slums is getting wild, young sons will live and bleed.
Since ito ay isang race bike, madinang goma na isasalpak natin dito. Gamit ang Pirelli Superbike tires at RCB mugs, napaka-solid ng magiging datingan.
Down too brown to be elite. No sound, come drown just from a leak. Who now? You clowns will hella see. Viral, I got their minds in spiral.
We are also going to use a race panel para mas lalong maging katotohanan. Siyempre, sasamahan din natin ng race button para mas lalong maging komportable pag sumabak na sa karera. We also have RCB shifter, RCB brake hose, and RCB R1 caliper. Papalitan din pala natin ang stock handlebar ng Cardinals Racing handlebar. Madali lang naman magkabit nito since fitment lang naman ang pinakang goal dito.
Nakapatay yata yung susi sa...
Tinanggal na din pala natin yung stock switch at pinalitan ng stock ng MT-15.
Yay! Dali. Kakabit para sa bracket ng pipe.
day 2 ng ating race bike build ay kaunti na lang din ang ating kakanain. Since nagpalit tayo ng switch ay nagkaroon tayo ng konting wiring. After that ay unti-unti na ding binuo ang mga fairings. Sobrang solid sa pakiramdam nito. Kahit di man tayo nakatutulong physically ay naging parte din tayo ng ganitong proyekto. Tanggal talagang pagod pag nasilayan mo na ang nabuo nyo kasama ang mga tropa. Just a heads up sa mga nagbabalak din magbuo. This bike build series ay inabot ng 2 days. Since late din kami halos nag-start at by 5 PM ay uwi na din agad. Sa lahat ng nagpunta during build process sa mga tropa, Team 3x15, kay Sir Melvin at Sir CJ na ating mga mekaniko, at sa lahat ng nanood ng video na ito ay isang maraming salamat po sa inyo. Kay Sir Stephen na walang sawang nag-share ng knowledge at walang sawang tumutulong since day 1. This is MotoJoe and Team 3x15. Another bike build, another stories to tell.
Baby, don't you know we are out of control? You see, I wanna do it like that. Do it like that. Oh, do it like that. I do it like that. Baby, don't you know we are on the road? Proceed. I wanna skank it with you. Skank it. Skank it with you.
Magpatakbo yun!
Solid. Napakaganda.
I wanna skank it with you. Skank it with you. Skank it with you. Skank it with you. No need for them profit. Now we know the future is here and now. Check it for the reader. And I'm gonna.
Ito po ay, sabi nito ko na sa 300 pesos yung supply pesos, sir. Ito ako na ito yung RP1. Sila ko ay mga mapaalam. Ito po yan ba ang sa pampusuhay? Okay, so